When we gaze upon the Great Pyramids, we see the tombs of pharaohs, but we miss the genius who built them. We see the hand of power, but not the human mind that gave it form. Modern marvels like the Burj Khalifa or the Hoover Dam are celebrated as symbols of national pride, yet the engineering teams behind them often remain anonymous, their brilliance overshadowed by the project's financiers and public faces. History has a habit of crediting kings and CEOs, while the innovators in their labs and workshops are forgotten. We lionize the visionary who funded the project, not the engineers who solved the complex problems to make it a reality. Our quest today is to pull back the sands of time, to find the architect who first dared to build a stairway to the heavens. By understanding the challenges he faced, we can illuminate the very essence of modern engineering and problem solving. When you think of how the pyramids were built, your mind might jump to Hollywood depictions of slaves or even wild theories about alien technology, but the truth is far more impressive. It's a story of human ingenuity. The precision cutting of massive stone blocks in ancient Egypt rivals the accuracy of modern robotic arms used in today's automated construction. The builders of the pyramids faced staggering challenges, from sourcing granite hundreds of miles away to transporting it across the desert and the Nile. This logistical nightmare is not unlike the global supply chain complexities faced by modern megaprojects, such as the ITER fusion reactor, which sources components from dozens of countries. The ancient Egyptians developed revolutionary tools and techniques, using iterative design and on-site problem-solving in a way that mirrors the agile methodologies of contemporary engineering firms. They didn't have blueprints and 3D models, but their innovative approach to construction was a testament to their deep understanding of physics, materials, and project management. As we piece together the fragments of history, one name emerges from the dust: Imhotep. Serving the pharaoh Djoser around 2650 BCE, Imhotep is the first architect and engineer in history known by name. The evidence for his role is found in inscriptions at the base of Djoser's statue, a rare honor that shows his monumental importance, much like how modern engineering societies immortalize their foundational figures. Imhotep's vision was unparalleled. He conceived the Step Pyramid at Saqqara, the world's first ever large-scale stone structure. This wasn't just a tomb, it was a grand complex, a blueprint for a celestial city that echoes the integrated urban planning and 3D modeling used by today's architects. But Imhotep was more than just an architect. He was a physician, a high priest, and arguably the world's first true polymath. His interdisciplinary genius, combining engineering with medicine and statecraft, is a quality highly valued in today's most complex fields, like biomedical engineering, where innovation happens at the intersection of different disciplines. The impact of Imhotep's innovations was immediate and enduring, shaping Egyptian architecture for 1,000 years. His step pyramid was the prototype that led directly to the smooth-sided pyramids at Giza. This single breakthrough fundamentally changed construction methods, akin to how the invention of steel or the application of AI in design has revolutionized modern building. Yet despite his monumental achievements, Imhotep's name is not as famous as the pharaohs he served. This highlights a timeless imbalance. The leaders and financiers who commission great works often receive the credit, while the engineers who bring those visions to life are relegated to the footnotes of history. But Imhotep's legacy is quietly woven into the fabric of our world, from the basic principles of stability and load-bearing structures that are still taught to civil engineers, to the philosophical ambition of creating lasting structures that connect humanity, like global communication networks or high-speed rail. It is time to reclaim his place in history. We must shift our focus from merely wondering at the scale of the pyramids to appreciating the human intellect that conceived them. We need to recognize the engineering brilliance behind the world's greatest wonders, both ancient and modern. Ongoing archaeological discoveries continue to shed light Imhotep's era, offering timeless lessons for today's engineers as they tackle grand challenges like climate change and space exploration. In remembering Imhotep, we ensure that future generations understand who really built the pyramids. His body may be lost to time, but his genius stands as a message that a single mind, armed with courage and ingenuity, can build a legacy that outlasts even the mightiest empire.